Hey guys, for about 30 bucks and 15 minutes of your time, you'll have a pair of homemade sawhorses that will outshine anything you can buy in the stores and cost you much less with just some simple and inexpensive tools. And stay tuned because at the end we'll break down exactly what it costs to build these sawhorses. You're going to need four 2x4x8s, one 2x8x6, and a 1 pound box of 3-inch screws. You can use anything that cuts wood, whether it's a handsaw, a miter saw, or a circular saw, and when assembling the I-beam and legs, any bit driver or drill will do. It doesn't have to be modern or expensive, as long as it can drive screws to the wood, you're all set. First step, we're going to cut those 2x4s into 12 32-inch pieces. From the 2x8, cut two 32-inch pieces and keep the leftover scrap handy for other projects. We used it for our drill press. Now onto the assembly. Start with the I-beam, create a T-shape with the two 2x4s, and secure them with 3 screws. Attach the 2x8 on the opposite side to complete the I shape with 3 more screws. Next, we're going to attach the legs. Use the remaining 8 32-inch 2x4s and secure them inside the I-beam with 3 screws on each leg, ensuring the larger 2x8 is on top. We used 3 screws at each connection point, totaling 36 screws, or 18 per sawhorse. So we paid $14.16 for the 2x4s, $6.39 for the 2x8, and $5.99 for the 1 pound box of 3-inch Phillips Construction Screws. Making these sawhorses only cost $26.54, which breaks down to about $13.27 each in 2024, which is a pretty incredible value for these durable sawhorses. And right now we're putting these sawhorses to good use already, sanding some pine shelving for our latest project. Stick around to see them in action in later videos, and thank you very much for watching. We appreciate it.